Hi guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing video for my this akrapovic exhaust system for my 2018 BMW s1000r. Yes, 2018 model. Okay, this is basically the GP slip-on type, meaning that it's only the end can, the rear part. Okay, slip on. Okay, so I'll unbox it and show you guys what's actually inside the box. Okay, by the way, this is the original Malaysian version of akrapovic, because I still have from Malaysia, and so I ordered it through this the Malaysia dealer. Okay, so as you can see the box. Okay, you can see here they say genuine akrapovic product, so you can see usually there's a box. Okay, show you more. Okay. This is BMW s1000r K47. This my model is K47. Okay, for 2018 model. Okay, you can see what it says here. This product does not meet emission compliance requirements for street and or highway use. Okay, let's see what else inside the box. Basically nothing else. Okay, so I'm gonna open up here. Okay, I just need to open up here. A second. Okay, I'll cut here and open up the box. Done. Okay, so let's open it up to see what's inside the box. Okay, I'll bring it up. Oh, let me see. I gotta hold it correctly. Nice and easy, as you can see here. Oh, open it up. This is the exhaust itself. Akrapovic manual for BMW S1000 single R. Slim on. Okay. Instructions. Okay, a book, a manual. Okay, what we have here is the. Let's see what else inside. Okay, let's see. Let's dig inside. Okay, this is the installation instruction. This is the English version. Okay, so there's a few bolts, nuts that I'm gonna use later. Okay, it's good, right? Okay, just put aside. Okay, nothing else in the box. Yes, nothing else. So what's here? Akrapovic. Very nice packaging, as you can see here. So it's all sealed. I mean, it's all using this cellophane tape. It stays here. You don't use a cutter to cut this off. This cutter, it might damage the what do you call it? The titanium parts or the carbon. I can see a little bit of carbon fiber parts here. See, can you see that? Sorry, my hand is a bit shaky. Okay, I'm just gonna open it up. Put it aside first. So, it's better to use a tripod, isn't it? Give me a second, okay? Okay. Let's see what's inside here. I gotta just. Oh, okay, done. Ta-da. Check this out, man. Isn't it great? This is the exhaust. Long awaited Akrapovic GP style exhaust. Titanium, full titanium exhaust from the Akrapovic for 2017 above model. Okay, mine happened to be a 2018 model. Okay, check out this nice titanium. Oh, this is good, right? See, Ooh, fantastic. I'm loving it, man. I'm gonna install it myself. So I'll be doing another video for installing and before and after um, the the sound of it. I'll take a before and after. Okay. See, this is carbon fiber parts, and it stays here akrapovic. Okay. Okay, for 2017 above model, you can see there's a 2 link pipe here. Okay, for 2016 below, there's only 1. Okay, so basically this particular pipe is for 2017 and above model. Okay, year 2017. Yet again, please, this product does not meet emission compliance. Okay, I understand that. So that's it. Look at all their weldings. It's like so smooth. See? Can you see that? It's like titanium. Oh, this is great. And this is basically very light. If I'm not mistaken, it's only about maybe 1 kg something, or maybe or less than 2 kilos, I guess. Okay, so this is the pipe itself. Okay, let me show you again. Akrapovic GP style source. Okay, so this is the box. This is the packaging box. Okay, and there's a manual and English version of manual, and some bolts and clamp to clamp on this thing. Isn't it nice? Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like my video, and I'll be uploading before and after video. I mean after installation, and give you guys a little bit of the sound. Okay, how nice and how strong, how good is the sound before and after. Okay, stay tuned and have a good day. Bye bye.